numerical value of k for which k minus 2 into x square plus 8x plus k plus 4 is greater than sin inverse of sin 12 plus cos inverse of cos 12 for all x belongs to capital R. Okay. First we discuss this part, sin inverse of sin 12. Okay. Sin inverse of sin theta, or we can take any variable, sin inverse x is equal to x for all x belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, that is x belongs to, in numerical values, minus 1.57, I mean approximation values, not exact values, 1.57. In this area only it is possible. So therefore, first step, sin inverse of sin 12, it is not at all equal to 12 because this 12 not belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, that is minus 1.57 comma 1.57. Okay. Here actually sin of pi minus theta equal to sin theta. So this is the basic formula. I try to write this value sin inverse of sin 12 equal to, it is sin inverse of sin 12. Sin theta equal to sin of pi minus theta. So this theta sin of pi minus 12, we can write like that. According to this basic formula, there is no loss, means sin theta can be written as sin of pi minus theta. But don't write immediately it is pi minus 12, even if it is in the form of sin inverse of sin x equal to x. 1 minute. Don't write like that, means it is, don't write like that. Okay. So before writing this, first verify is pi minus 12, that is belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is the question, or question yourself. If your answer is yes, observe. If your answer is yes, then you can write it is equal to pi minus 12. Let us verify. Pi means 3.14 minus 12. 3.14 means 12 means 8 point something like that. So anyhow, it is not belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So therefore, it is not equals to. Next, sin inverse of sin inverse of sin 12. Let us consider once again. Now this time take 2 pi minus 12, means sin of verify first 2 pi minus 12. 2 pi minus 12 is what? 2 pi means pi 3.14 into 2, means 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. 6.28 minus 12. It is not belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2, plus pi by 2. So therefore, we cannot write this value in terms of 2 pi minus 12. Similarly, let us try in terms of 3 pi minus 12. 3 pi means approximation value 3.14 into 3. So 3 4s are 12, 3 1s are 3 4, 3 3s are 9. 9.42. 9.42 minus 12. 9 minus 12 means 12.09. 0, 0. It is 9.42. 10 minus 2, 8. 9 minus 4, 5. 11 minus 2.58. It is 2.58 means that it is minus 2.58. Of course, it is also not belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 plus pi by 2. Here also it is negative value. Anyhow, it is not belongs to that. Okay. So therefore, sine inverse of sine of 12 cannot be expressed as sine inverse of sine of pi minus 12, or cannot be expressed as sine inverse of sine of 2 pi minus 12, or that is not equal to sine inverse of sine of 3 pi minus 12, like that. Now we shall try for 4 pi in terms of 4 pi minus 12. So therefore 4 pi, that is equal to pi 3.14 into 4. 4 4 just 16, 4 1 just 4, 5, 12. It is 12.50. 12.50 minus 12 means clearly 0.56. So 0.56. Clearly it is belongs to closed interval of minus 1.57 plus 1.57 plus 1.57. Okay. So therefore 1 minute sine of 12. So that is equal to sine of 2 pi means 4 pi minus 12. Is it correct? First part, verification of the interval, means is this value belongs to the domain closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. It is the first verification. Remember, for every problem. Second verification, quadrants. 1 minute. 4 pi minus means what? First pi, second pi, third pi. It is fourth pi. 4 pi minus means it is in fourth quadrant. So in fourth quadrant, sign is negative. Sign is negative. So therefore we cannot write like that. But sine of 4 pi minus 12 is equal to minus sine 12 according to quadrants. 4 pi minus fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, sine is negative. So this can be sine 12 is equal to minus sine of 4 pi minus 12. So therefore, sending this minus in the bracket, it is nothing but, or it can be written as 12 minus 4 pi. Okay, according to quadrants, we can write sine 12 equal to sine of 12 minus 4 pi according to quadrants, all silver teacups, like that. So first step, is it belongs to the domain closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. Of course, if the interval is in the case of cos inverse, we have to verify 0 to pi. So according to this domain or sine inverse, according to this, x belongs to, at present we are in sine inverse of sine x equal to x. X belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 comma plus pi by 2. So in this question we have to verify this interval. So therefore verify first step, verify pi minus 12 is it belongs to that interval, otherwise go to 2 pi minus, otherwise go to 3 pi minus, otherwise go to 4 pi minus something. So therefore it is verified at 4 pi minus 12. Okay, but it can be written as 12 minus 4 pi. Once again, what about 12 minus 4 pi? That is equal to 4 pi minus 12 equal to 0.56. But 12 minus 4 pi is minus 0.56. Again, question yourself, is it belongs to closed interval of minus 1.57 to plus 1.57? Yes, it is yes. So therefore, Therefore, here we can write sine inverse of sine 12, that is equal to sine inverse of, this is sine 12 can be sine of 12 minus 4 pi. That's all. Next. So that is equal to, now it is possible to write directly 12 minus 4 pi. 12 minus 4 pi. Why? First step, it is in the form of sine inverse of sine x. We wrote x because x belongs to this interval. Because 12 minus 4 pi, it is belongs to closed interval of minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. So therefore, this value sine inverse of sine 12, that is equal to 12 minus 4 pi. Next, let us consider this value. Now cos inverse of cos 12. First step, it is 1 minute. First, recall the formula. Cos inverse of cos x or theta, that is equal to x for all x belongs to closed interval of 0 comma pi. In this case, cos, it is different interval. 0 point, that is x belongs to closed interval of 0 comma 3.14. So first step, it should not be equal to 12 because 12 is not belongs to closed interval of 0 comma 3.14. Okay. Next, we have to verify like that. Pi minus 12, 2 pi minus 12, 3 pi minus 12, just like that. Here already we wrote pi minus 12. Pi minus 12 definitely. So for this problem, pi minus 12. Pi minus 12 means 3.14 minus 12. 3 minus 12 means 8 point something. So definitely it is not belongs to closed interval of 0 comma pi. Pi means it is 3.14. Next, let us verify for 2 pi minus 12. This is the first step. 2 pi minus 12. 2 pi minus 12 means how much? 2 pi minus 12. It is 6.28 minus 12 means 5 point something. So of course it is not belongs to closed interval of 0 comma 3.14. Next, let us verify 3 pi minus 12. 3 pi minus 12 means 3 pi minus 12 minus 2.58. It is negative value, but it should not be in positive area. Next, 4 pi minus 12. 4 pi minus 12. How much 4 pi minus 12? It is 0.56. Okay. Clearly it is in closed interval of 0 comma pi. So it is verified. And then we need not to take this step because directly it is in 0 comma pi. Okay. And that to be cos of 4 pi minus 12 is what? Cos of 4 pi minus 12 is what? Already I showed the quadrants in sine inverse of sine 12. Here 1 pi, 2 pi completed, 3 pi completed, 4 pi completed. Means 4 pi minus means like that. It is in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, all silver teacups. Cups means here cos theta and its reciprocal secant theta are positive. Therefore, clearly we see that cos of 4 pi minus 12 is cos 12. So according to quadrant's all silver teacups, this fundamental is verified, and to write directly x, it is verified that it is in this closed interval of 0 comma pi. So therefore cos inverse of cos 12 can be cos inverse of cos 4 pi minus 12. So directly we can write it as 4 pi minus 12. So once again, the first step is cos theta is equal to cos of 4 pi minus theta, just like that. So according to quadrant's all silver teacups, we have to write without loss of generality cos of n pi minus theta something equal to cos theta, just like that. That is the first work. Second work, before writing directly 4 pi minus 12 means cos inverse of cos theta equal to theta, is it belongs to closed interval of 0 comma pi? Yes, that's why I wrote since it is belongs to that. So therefore cos inverse of cos 12 is not equal to 12, but it is 4 pi minus 12, right? Minus 12. Okay. Now the question is, you come here. Here, is it visible? Okay. Question. For what least integral value of k? The expression or any equation k minus 2 x square plus 8x plus k plus 4 is greater than, what is that value? Already we found 12 minus 4 pi. It is 12 minus 4 pi plus, what is second value? 4 pi minus 12. It is true for all x belongs to capital R. He has given. Okay, 12 cancelled, 4 pi also cancelled. It remains only k minus 2 x square plus 8x plus k plus 4 is greater than 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Okay, here another application is there. For example, most important formula or concept, f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, quadratic expression, and a and total f of x will have the same sign. Means what? If a is positive, f of x is also positive. If a is negative, f of x is also negative. Sign for all x belongs to capital R. If delta discriminant b square minus 4ac is negative, less than 0. This is the most important point about the quadratic expression or equation. It is in algebra. Okay, you come here. Already total f of x is positive, he said. Okay, f of x and small a will have the same sign, means therefore definitely k minus 2 is greater than 0. Greater than 0 is there. That's why I wrote x square quotient small a is also greater than 0. Okay, and delta less than 0 for all x belongs to capital R. Already he has given. So therefore since it is given, we need not to write this one. Okay, because of only this condition we have taken two sub-conditions. Understand? Right. So k minus 2 greater than 0 means k is greater than 2. Let it be statement number 1. Next, and delta means b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac is less than 0. So that implies b square means this is small a, it is small b, it is small c. Compare like that. So b square 64 minus 4 a c k plus 4 is less than 0. So therefore, dividing by 4, 16 minus k minus 2 into k plus 4 is less than 0. So that implies 16 minus k square plus 4k minus 2k minus 8 is less than 0. So that implies 16 minus it is k square plus 2k minus 8 is less than 0. So therefore 16 minus k square minus 2k plus 8 is less than 0. So that implies minus k square minus 2k plus 24 is less than 0. So that implies k square plus 2k minus 24 multiplying with minus, it is greater than 0. Remember, already one subcondition is there, k greater than 2. Let it be statement number 1. Now factorization 6 4 ja. So k square plus 6k minus 4k minus 24 is greater than 0. So that implies k into k plus 6 minus 4 into k plus 6 is greater than 0. That is imply k plus 6 into k minus 4 is greater than 0. So that implies k minus of minus 6 into k minus 4 plus 4 is greater than 0. You come here. Already I said about the intervals. Whenever a is less than b, if x minus a into x minus b is greater than 0, then it can be directly x belongs to minus infinity to a union b to plus infinity. We can write like that. A is the least value, b is the greatest value, then small a. Okay, so in the same sense, small a is the smaller value, b equal to bigger value, that is 4. So therefore, according to that, k belongs to open interval of minus infinity, a means minus 6 union 4 infinity. Okay, this is a second statement. You come here. So what is first statement? K is greater than 2. Now we are going to find the common solution for k greater than 2. Means here, for example, this is 0, minus 1, minus 2 and so on. Let it be minus 6, this is minus 7 and so on up to minus infinity. So minus infinity to minus 6 open means this area. It is open interval, that's why I didn't touch 6 in the graph, because we are not taking the element 6 in our required solution. Okay, next 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, just like that and so on plus infinity. What about this open interval of 4 to infinity? 4 to infinity means this area. So second statement is blue shaded area. Next, what is this first one? K is greater than 2. K is greater than 2 means greater than 2 means open interval. So let us blacken this area, like that up to infinity. So where is blue and black? So therefore K must be belongs to, means K belongs to open interval of 4, means blue and black 4 to infinity, open interval 4 to infinity. Okay, you come here. What is the question? The least integral value of K. Least integral value of K. You come here. Least integral value of K. So it is the integer. Integral value means integer. So greater than 4 means K may be 5, 6, because it is integer, 5, 6, 7 and so on, just like that. But K should be least, therefore 5. So therefore definitely K equal to 5. Since K is least integer, so therefore K value is equal to 5. You come here. So fourth option is right. You observe this question is important for higher level examinations, competitive examinations, because it is depending on so many properties, so many concepts. That's why you habituate to do or practice this kind of questions which involving more than 2-3 concepts, just like that. Okay, over. Next question. The point capital P of x comma y subject to the condition lies on which, means bisectors of first and third quadrant, bisector of the second and fourth quadrant, the rectangle formed by the lines x equal to plus or minus 1, y equal to plus or minus 1, and a unit circle with center at the origin. Unit circle with the center origin means it will be like that. This is fourth option is it is a circle, center origin, next radius 1, next rectangle means that like that it will be like that, x equal to 1 plus 1 and minus 1, just like that, and y equal to, so this is x equal to 1 and it will be minus 1. Next this is y equal to 1, next it will be y equal to minus 1, like that. Next the bisector first third quadrant means that it will be like that, first and third quadrant means that it is y equal to x graph. Next second one will be second fourth means this is the second fourth quadrant means y equal to minus x. So first option is y equal to x, second option is y equal to minus x, third option is this rectangle, fourth option is circle with center origin and radius 1 unit only. These are the 4 options. Okay, let us take the condition sin inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse of 2xy equal to pi by 2. First, given condition or given equation, sin inverse x plus cos inverse y plus cos inverse of 2xy, that is equal to pi by 2. So that implies first cos inverse y plus cos inverse of 2xy keep the same, that is equal to, it is pi by 2 minus sine, it will be minus sine inverse x. So it is cos inverse x. So therefore it can be written as cos inverse of 2xy equal to RHS part cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. So that implies it can be 2xy is equal to, we can write cos of cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. So that implies 2xy equal to, let it be capital A and capital B, means rough work. Cos inverse, let cos inverse x equal to A, means cos A equal to x. Cos A equal to x. So what about sin A? Sin A equal to root of 1 minus cos square A, means x square. Already you did know this small formula in trigonometry, first in 11th trigonometry. And similarly, let it be cos inverse y, means second term, that is equal to capital B. So therefore cos B is equal to y, and sin B, similarly sin B equal to root of 1 minus y square. So therefore cos of A minus B is what? Cos of A minus B. Under basic formula, cos of A minus B is equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B in compound angles. Cos of A minus B equal to cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. So cos A is what? Cos A x. Cos B is what? Y plus sin A sin B, root of square root of 1 minus x square into square root of 1 minus y square, or you can take as a formula this cos inverse of this cos inverse x minus cos inverse y. Directly cos inverse of, we can write cos inverse of xy plus root of 1 minus x square into root of 1 minus y square. We can write like that. Or you can take the formula cos inverse of x minus cos inverse of y equal to cos inverse of xy plus root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. You can take the formula. But I didn't use the formula. I didn't tell the formula because under different conditions are there. According to different conditions, formula will be changed. It is not necessary. Okay. So you need not remember as a formula. You just follow the procedure. I depended on the procedure. Okay, 2xy. So that implies 2xy minus xy, that is equal to root of 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square whole root. So therefore 2 minus 1, 1xy equal to 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square whole root. So squaring on both sides, it means x square y square equal to, square will be, root will be cancelled on squaring on both sides. It is just 1 minus x square into 1 minus y square. So therefore x square minus y square equal to, on multiplication, you come here, 1 into 1 minus y square minus x square plus x square into y square, just a simplification. So another time x square y square get cancelled. So therefore it is x square plus y square is equal to 1. So what is that? The locus of P, capital P of x comma y is a circle, whose center is at origin with radius 1 unit. So which option is right? Both option is right. It is also one important question in inverse trigonometric functions.